Njengenixoxeleni indaba la, yazi uPick n Pay ASAP. Yabo yingakho namhlanje i-9 saka January nginixoxela indaba yange-22 saka December. Ngo-7:17 ne iy'tolo ey'ningi bey'valiwe ezokudla la bengikhona, yabo. So isitolo besivuliwe uPick n Pay and bebevala ngo-9. Ngabona kahle ukuthi ngingene ku-Pick n Pay ASAP ngi-order izinto ezimbalwa futhi phezu kwaloko nje ingane beyigula, ngafaka nomuthi nenyama khona lapho ngoba nje isishebo besingekho. So inyama efana novors ukuthi nje sisheshe siyipheke sidle. uPick n Pay wathi uzodeliver ngo-8, kwashaya u-8 yathi izodeliver ngo-8:30. Ngo-8:30 yathi izodeliver ngo-9. Bayilokhu ishintshe iy'khathi, so ngibe ngiyayifonela Pick n Pay, bangishaya don't worry udrive usendleleni, don't worry udrive usendleleni, don't worry udrive usendleleni. Okugcina ngamfonela futhi ngamtshela ukuthi I'm worried because iPick n Pay yavalwa ngo-9. Athi hayi khululeka, kunodrive ofikile esitolo uyothatha izinto bese uyadeliver. Sakulinda ukudla, sakulinda. Nakusasa kwakhona they didn't even attempt to deliver. Mase ngibafonela batshela ukuthi ngifuna ukukhansela i-order because anidilivanga. Lo muntu beke ngisiza lapha obhala on the notes ukuthi the driver came, he called and akatholanga muntu, and ayikho lento leyo. I placed an order, it wasn't delivered. uPick n Pay loyo. Phezu kwaloko manje sengifuna imali yami manje. Angithi ngikhokhe ngekhadi lami, imali ayisakwazi ukubuyela ekhadini lami njani. Mangiyenza upay out kule app wabo bathi since ngiyenza ngomhla ka-23 December bathi izodeliver in 3 to 5 working days. Kunini ngicofoza after 5 working days imali ayikangeni. Kahle wabona uPick n Pay usenza iy'lima zabo. uPick n Pay wenu loyo u-ASAP. Nje mina into engiyifunayo imali yami ngidilithele umsangano we-app yabo, ngoba nje ngathi abazazi ukuthi bayenzani. Nje customer service abayazi customer service. Ngathi nje kumele nje beze la kumina ngizobafundisa ukuthi yini customer centricity.